Can you shoot a cinematic travel video with a phone?
Hey, what's up, it's Jona. In this video I want to become a YouTube creator, and currently we are at 130 subscribers. As a professional photographer and videographer, I often get the question, should I buy a camera or is my phone good enough? Well, I would say talking, let's watch and you can decide for yourself. Shot on the iPhone, some shots were handheld, some shots were shot on the Gimbal, the Dji Osmo Mobile 4. Like and subscribe for good karma, and see you later.